Now, the third problem, we are going to see the continuation of the first video. How much volume of carbon dioxide is produced when 50 gram of calcium carbonate is heated completely under standard conditions? Okay, what is the question? How much of volume of carbon dioxide is produced? 1 mole of substance which is equal to 22.4 liters we have studied. Okay, here the calcium carbonate is heated completely and produce carbon dioxide. How much volume is that? First we have to write the equation. Calcium carbonate CaCO3, which is on heating, it produced, already we have studied in this equation. We have to, each and every carbonate on heating, it produces carbon dioxide gas. We have to take the carbon dioxide CO2 from CaCO3. What is remaining? Calcium Ca and 1 oxygen from carbonate. So this is easy way to write the chemical formula. Okay, my dear children. And 1 calcium, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 1 plus 2, 3 oxygen. The equation is self-balanced. Okay. Now coming to the question. Now we have to calculate the molecular mass of calcium carbonate. Already we know how to calculate calcium carbonate. 1 calcium, so which is multiplied by the atomic weight, it is 40 gram. And carbon, how much carbon is present here? Only 1 carbon, which is multiplied by the atomic mass 12. Oxygen, 3 oxygen, which is multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen 140, 40, 1 12s are 12 and 3 16s are 3 6 are 18, remaining 1 and 48. Now 0, remaining 1 and 100. This is the calcium carbonate. So 100 gram of calcium carbonate produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Okay, this is that standard condition. Standard condition means 22.7 liters. Okay, standard atmospheric pressure na da ungalku 22.4 liters. This is 22.7 liters. So 22.7 liters of carbon dioxide. Sir, for how much? So we got the problem, yes. And 100 gram of calcium carbonate produced 22.7 liters of carbon dioxide. Therefore, 50 gram of calcium carbonate produce how much of carbon dioxide? So what you have to write first? You have to write in the numerator 100 gram of calcium carbonate produce how much? 22.47 liters of carbon dioxide, which is multiplied by 50 gram of calcium carbonate. So this is 100, 2 times of 50, this is 1 time, calcium carbonate also cancel. 22.7 which is divided by 2, 1 2s are 2, take 1 2s are 2, keep a point, 3 2s are 6, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10. So 11.35, what is remaining? Liters of carbon dioxide. You have to cancel each other like this. You have to easily identify what is the unit and what is the remaining. Easier you calculate. You have to remember only one thing. The standard condition means that is 1 mole of substance is equal to 22.7 liters. Standard atmospheric pressure STP means 22.4 liters. That is only how to remember in this problem. Okay, my dear children, we go to the next problem. The fourth problem, this is also the page number 15. How much volume of chlorine is required to form 11.2 liters of hydrochloric acid HCl at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. Now we are going to use that is standard atmospheric pressure is given. So here we take it as the 22.4 liters. Now first step, what is the first step? We have to write the chemical equation. What is that? Hydrochloric acid is formed. But what is needed? Hydrochloric acid. Okay, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen combines with chlorine to form hydrochloric acid. Here 2 hydrogen. So you put 2 here. Now 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine. Now the equation is balanced. Okay. Now calculate the. Here is the liter. How many moles? Here is 1 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of chlorine. Here 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. 1 mole is 22.4 liters. But 2 mole is 2 into 22.4 liters. How much? 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 44.8 liters. Now 44.8 liters of hydrochloric acid required how much of chlorine? 22.4 liters. Now 11.2 liters of hydrochloric acid required how much of chlorine? How much of chlorine? So as usual, the first one you have to write in the denominator. 44.8 liters of HCl, which is require 22.4 liters of chlorine, which is multiplied by 11.2 liters of hydrochloric acid. Okay, now we have to simplify it. 11.2 into 4 times. So this is 1 time, this is 4 time. Now 22.4, which is divided into 4. 5 4s are 20. Remaining 2. Keep a point, decimal point. Take the 4. 6 4s are 24. Now what is the answer? 5.6 liters of chlorine is required to produce 11.2 liters of hydrochloric acid. Okay? Yes. The next question is number 5. Calculate the percentage composition of elements present in magnesium carbonate. That is first question. The next question is how many kilogram of carbon dioxide can be obtained by heating 1 kilogram of 90% pure magnesium carbonate. We are going to do 2 calculations. One is percentage of composition of elements present in magnesium carbonate. What is the formula for magnesium carbonate? Mg, that is magnesium, carbonate CO3. Both the valency is 2, but 2 is cancel each other. So magnesium valency is 2, carbonate valency is 2. If you crisscross, 2 will cancel. So now coming to that, on heating, what will give? Now already I said in the calcium carbonate, each and every carbonate salt, when on heating, what gas is produced? My dear children, yes, very good. Carbon dioxide gas is produced. We have to take the carbon dioxide from magnesium carbonate. What is remaining? 1 mg, and the CO2 is eliminated. The remaining 1 oxygen. This is the easy way to write formula. 1 magnesium, 1 magnesium. And carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon. 3 oxygen, 1 plus 2, 3. Now magnesium valency is also 2. Oxygen valency is also 2. You have to crisscross, 2 is cancelled. So the formula for magnesium oxide is MgO. This is very simple. Last year itself we have to calculate the percentage of composition of elements. Just we recall it, you'll learn it. Okay, wow. The magnesium carbonate. What is the magnesium? Carbon, oxygen. Yes, 1 magnesium, which is multiplied by the atomic weight 24. Carbon, how many carbon? Only 1 carbon, which is multiplied by the atomic mass. And how many oxygen? 3 oxygen, which is multiplied by the atomic mass. 124s are 24, 112s are 12, 316s are 48. Now 10, 4, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 84 grams of magnesium carbonate. Okay, and in this magnesium carbonate, each and you have to calculate how many magnesium, oxygen and carbon. First you have to calculate the percentage of magnesium. So 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contain 24 gram of magnesium for 100 gram of magnesium carbonate. Okay, now I have to simplify it. Magnesium carbonate 24 times this is 1 2 table, otherwise 4 table. Yes, 6 4s are 24. Here is 2 1, afterwards 3 table. This is 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21. Now you get 2 into 100, 200 divided by 7, 200 divided by 7, you get 2 2s are 14, remaining 6, you take this 0, 8 7s are 56, remaining 4, you keep the point, add 0, and 5 7s are 35, remaining 5, add 0, 7 7s are 49, remaining 1. You get it, the very simple number. So what is the percentage? 28.57 percentage of magnesium. The next one, percentage of next carbon. 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contains how much of carbon? 12 gram of carbon for 100 gram of magnesium carbonate. Okay, here is that, as like that, the same thing. 2 6 2s are 12, 3 table or 4 table are 3 table adikkalam, 4 3s are 3 4s are 12, 2 1, again 7 times 100, 100s are 100, 7. Okay, 100 7 all divide panningna, this is 1777, remaining 3 30, 4 7s are 28, remaining 2, keep a point, add a 0, again it will be 2 7s are 14, 6 0, 8 times 8 7s are 56, it will be goes on. The answer is 14.28 percentage. If you add a 0, what do you get? 5 7s are 35. You have to get the 5, so you have to round up it to 2 decimal. Okay, the next one is percentage of oxygen. Now 84 gram of oxygen, 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contains how many gram of oxygen? 48 gram of oxygen for 100 gram of magnesium carbonate. So this is percentage of oxygen. Here we written as 84 gram of magnesium carbonate required as contains 48 gram of oxygen for 100 gram. How much? I have to cancel by the 4 table. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Here is 2 4s are 8, 1 4s are 4. Now which is cancelled by 3 table. 4 3s are 12, 7 3s are 21. Now 4 into 100. 400 divided by 7, 400 we have to divide it by 7. Here is that 5 7s are 35, remaining 5, you take this 0, and you have to take 7 7s are 49, remaining 1 0, keep a point, add a 0 here, 1 7s are 7, remaining 3, add a 0, and 4 7s are 28, remaining 2, it will be less than 5 only, so you have to take it as 57.14 percentage of oxygen. Now the percentage of composition of elements we have to find out. Now we have to find out the percentage of composition of elements present in the magnesium carbonate. How much? Magnesium is how many percentage is 28.57 percentage, and carbon, oxygen. Carbon how much I have and oxygen 57.14. You have to add all the three, you have to get 100. So our answer is correct. And next we are going to see the next problem. How many kilogram of carbon dioxide can be obtained by heating 1 kilogram of 90% pure magnesium carbonate? So 84 gram of magnesium carbonate produce carbon dioxide. Already we have found out 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Here 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1000 gram of 90% magnesium carbonate produce how much of carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide. This is the problem you have to find out. So now 84 gram of magnesium carbonate produce 44 gram of carbon dioxide. For 1000 gram for 90%. Here the magnesium is 100%. Okay, percentage is cancelled. 20 is cancelled. Now which is divided by 4 table, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. Here 2 4s 1. After that it will be not divisible by any number because it is prime number. 11 9s are 99. Here 1 0, here 1 0. So add 2 0 and divided by 21. 21, here is that 21 5s are 100 1 row, so I have to take it as 4 times. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Remaining 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 8 1. You take it as 0, which is you get 7 times 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Remaining 10 minus 7 3, 4. You have to take that another 0. Now you take only 1 time. 21. Here is 9 time. Keep a point. Add a 0 here. You have to take 4 times. 4 21s are 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 6. It goes on. You take it as that 471.4 gram. It will be converted into kilogram multiplied by or divided by smaller unit divided by 1000. So you get 0.471 kg of carbon dioxide is produced. Okay, my dear children, all the example problems I have worked out and give to you in the video. You have to do all the problems and submit it in. Okay.